What's up?
Filling mags. It's a how-to video. It's a how-to video of should you buy green gas or CO2. Sponsored by nobody. Baby, it's cold outside. Make sure you stick your mags in your pockets. All right, let's go outside and shoot. This white snow is gonna get in the way. So there's an age-old question. We get it every time we get in. What should I buy? A green gas or a CO2 pistol? Now, some pistols are only green gas. Some pistols are only CO2. Some, like these CZ Shadows, both the Shadow 1 and the Shadow 2, shoot both. Which should you buy? Well, we're gonna test them out here in the elements to show you why you should choose one over the other. All right, KJW, which makes these CZP09s, and CZ Shadow 1, Shadow 2, CZ75, they're dual power. Why you should buy a green gas pistol or use a green gas mag. First, green gas is less powerful of a gas, so you're gonna get more consistent blowback. It's gonna be easier on all the parts in here, and just overall lubricate the mechanisms a lot better than CO2. Why should you get a CO2 gun? Well, the CO2 is not gonna, it's gonna actually damage your gun a little bit more. However, it does work in cold. Physics work. When a green gas mag, just like this one right here, see, green gas mag, fill it right there, is in the cold. Let's let it sit here for a second. You know what? It's full of gas. You see that? It's full of gas, okay? Let's put it in the cold a little bit. Luckily, we got snow. Green gas mags have a bunch of seals in them. A CO2 cartridge, you'll see, punctures the top and locks in. But we all know, guys, when things get cold, things shrink. And you'll see right here, after a little bit, in the snow, this is a full mag. You're not gonna get great efficiency. I got 3 BBs, okay? That was a full mag before I put it in the snow. See this? Doesn't even have enough to pull it back. Yeah, nothing, okay? So, what should you get then? Well, green gas doesn't work in the snow. So here's the CO2 mag. Let's do the same test. There's the CO2 mag right there. We'll use the same pistol actually. Why not we use the same pistol? So CO2 punctures in and actually locks in the top. So let's go do the same. Let it sit for a sec. Time lapse. Now that the time lapse is over, let's shake off the snow. Let's use the CZ right here. Same pistol, still cold. It's actually probably colder. There we go. Clear the whole mag out. So, very simple of why you should get green gas versus CO2. If you're in a warmer climate and don't need to be below 40 degrees, you should get a green gas gun. If you're in a climate that is below 40 degrees a lot of times, you should get a CO2 gun. If you love the best of both worlds, get yourself a KJW, like one of these Shadow 2, Shadow 1, CZP09s, and some others so that you can shoot both. So half the time, you're not blowing up your internals, you're lubricating your internals, and the other half the time, you can use this in the snow. Last thing I'm gonna tell you though, if you use these CO2 mags, one of the things that you need to do is go out and buy yourself some silicone oil and put a little silicone oil in the bulb there. That'll save your seals and make these CO2 mags last a whole hell of a lot. Well, I'm glad to get out of the cold. So hopefully this helps you figure out which one you want to buy. And what I like a lot are these CZ Shadow 2s, both in this gray as well as the blue and black version. You can find both of these as well as all the other pistols on your wish list at mirtactical.com.